And now the question arises in the rural areas. Just now I told you regarding all the family members, they are engaged in field or in agriculture or field of agriculture or cultivation, but the time is there is short, for the short span of time, that means during the season, that is seasonal. Harvesting or sowing, reaping, weeding, threshing, those are the seasonal work. Rest of the year they are jobless. So most of the rural people, either they do migrate somewhere or to the other region, other state or interstate, any other district, in search of other job. Whether they change their occupation or switch over to any other job. This is the scenario of the rural areas. But in spite of that, they cannot reach their needs or requirements. Still, poverty overpowers them. That is unemployment. One more factor is there, the same thing, only some difference is there between rural and the urban areas. The same in urban area also. Urban areas, educated people, whether they are technically educated, skilled or trained, or whether they are in general field they are educated, but they do work as disguised employee. That is called disguised employment. But that is not fixed job. That is not confirmed job. That is only for short span of time. So that is why thousands and thousands of youths all over our country carrying high qualification, carrying degrees with them. Graduates, postgraduates are there, technically trained, skilled are there, but at the same time there is no vacancy or vacancies are filled up. Simultaneously, on the other hand, they are having degrees, they are skilled, they are trained, graduate or postgraduates. More than that, they are carrying degrees with them, but they are jobless because of unemployment. This is called unemployment because all the posts are already filled up. This is the scenario of our country. This is the scenario of India. As consequence, hopelessness, despair overpower these young generations and youth. So our government is already paying much attention, intense attention, to provide employment to the youths, to provide employment to the skilled people, to provide employment those are having degrees, technically qualified, technically trained, technically skilled, but it will take some time. But unemployment is one of the major factors of our country in the primary sector, in the secondary sector, simultaneously the tertiary sector. Primary sector, people can switch over, people can change their occupation, people are ready to migrate to other states or other districts, but in this field, primary sector. But in the secondary and in tertiary sector, qualified and skilled and trained people are there, but they are suffering from despair and distress because they have become the liability or burden to the nation. They are the surplus educated, surplus qualified people. Surplus educated and surplus qualified and skilled people, but they are jobless. That is why they have become the liability or burden to any nation. But at present, our country is suffering from the same phase. So guys, this is the major factor, one of the major problems in our country, that in spite of disguised employment, in spite of migration, in spite of switching over to other occupation, people are unable to reach their needs, people are unable to reach their goal or unable to fulfill their requirements. Now one more factor is there in this chapter, that is that women are less paid rather than men.